7 roles you can transition into product management from in 2024. Hi, my name is Oluwasegun Kolawole. I'm a tech career coach and a product manager. This is Agile Minds Hub. Product management is a role that requires you wearing multiple hats. What do I mean by wearing multiple hats? It means you might find yourself in so many responsibilities like working on the market research, the user persona development, product development, and several other things that relate to the role, or even data analysis, as the case may be. As a product manager, you may not actually be the one doing some of these things. There are people who are working with you, such as the business analysts, people in the sales team, marketing, and several other teams that might be working with you at that time. Sometimes, as a product manager, you may not actually have some of those people, which means you might have to get your hands dirty and do some of those things. Well, if you're someone who has been taking on some of these responsibilities already, I want to tell you, you might be a potential product manager. If you enjoy our content, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you'd always receive alert and notifications each time we bring up new videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 7 different roles you can transition into product management from in 2024. Number 1, business analyst. Who is a business analyst? A business analyst is one who is aware of the problems of a particular organization, of a particular market at a particular point in time. You bring the solution and you suggest it to the technical team. Sometimes you have to work directly with the technology team, where you might actually have to come in either as a product owner later on, or some even end up being the Scrum Master along the line. Your responsibility is to get into the market and understand the problems they have at that point in time, then suggest the exact solution they are supposed to have at that point in time. You bring the solution to the technology team and they work on it. As a business analyst, you have the potential of becoming a product manager because you are already doing some things on the UX part and even on the technology part. Sometimes you have to even do things around marketing and sales because of your responsibilities. Sometimes the organization does not have the capacity to employ so many other people. You end up doing the work of a product manager later on. So if you're a business analyst, you are a potential product manager. If you're looking at advancing your career in product management, you might want to give it a try. Number 2, marketing and sales. First of all, what is marketing and what is sales? Marketing is an act of pushing out your products by understanding the problems of the market and giving them the right product at that time and telling them this is what actually solves your problem at this particular point in time. If this is the case, if you're a marketer, a growth marketer, or someone who is into digital marketing, you have the potential of becoming a product manager. What are the things a marketer actually does? You need to understand the problems of the market at that time. Conducting a successful marketing campaign requires you to understand the problems of the users in that market, understanding the pricing you want to give to them, understanding the business model and the best thing that suits the business at that point in time. As a product manager, this is some of the responsibilities you have already. If you're a marketing professional, a growth person, you might want to consider career in product management such as the growth product management or even product management as a whole. Then you are able to niche down along the line. If you are a marketing professional, this is an opportunity for you. If you want to get into product management, you can do this as well. If you're a marketing professional and you're looking into entering product management, you might actually be right because some of the responsibilities of a product manager, you're already doing most of them. You might just need to touch up more on the technical part of your job. Number 3, product design. Product design requires UX and the UI. What is UX? UX is the user experience and UI is user interface. For a successful product to be designed or given to the technical team, you need to understand the customers, which means you need to understand the best solution for your customer at that point in time, which means in one way or the other, you have done some things around UX. You've covered a number of things around the user persona, understanding the market, understanding the psychology of these users. To a certain extent, you have researched about this user. Also, you have worked on the user interface, you've dealt with users, you've gotten feedback, and you've built product over time. In the course of your career, you have worked with cross-functional teams, which qualifies you to be able to do certain things a product manager would be able to do on a very good day. Things you might need to add to your skill set could be leadership, understanding how to manage people very much better. As a product designer who is aspiring to becoming a product manager, or let me say transitioning into a product management role, it is a good idea, never a bad idea to give it a try. Number 4, entrepreneur or MBA graduates. If you have an MBA, which means you have Masters in Business Administration, you have the capacity to actually run a business and even manage a business. That is a very good plus if you are intending to enter the tech career and you're looking at what to enter. Trust me, product management is what you should give a try. You already understand things around leadership, you understand something around sales, you already understand things around management and administration. This is an opportunity for you to actually advance the career in tech. Or you've been an entrepreneur in the past, your entrepreneurship experience can be transferred into your potential new role, which is product management. Number 5, project management or Scrum professional. Are you a Scrum professional who has been in the agile world, or you're a project manager who has managed people over time? If you're a project manager in the tech industry and you want to advance your role into product management, what are the things you need? You've actually been dealing with technical team, or let me say the technology team. You have a good understanding of Scrum, what it means to build a product. Some of the things you need to balance here would definitely be how to run the business, how to do more things in marketing, sales, product iteration, and several other things you need to do. As a project manager, you have some understanding around how to build a product from inception down to the launch phase, which is a very good plus for you. I have known so many project managers who have transitioned into product management today. I started as a software engineer, then moved into project management before I became a product manager. So this can be something you want to do as well. If you're a project manager and you're looking at advancing your role into the product management space, it is not a bad idea. Number 6, software engineering. As a software engineer, of course, you've been writing code, you've been doing things in the product space, you have built software along the line, which means you are not new to software development. Now, if you're aspiring to become a product manager, you might want to explore the technical product management field. Because I've been a software engineer in the past and also been a project manager, it was easy for me to move into technical product management, which actually is my core as a product manager. You understand what it means to build a solution and you understand the architecture or building system from scratch. It's a very good plus for you as a product manager when you come in as a technical person. Number 7, customer success. Who is a customer success officer? As a customer success officer, your role majorly is to ensure that the users who are using your product or your customers are well served. How do you ensure this? You get their feedback, which means you listen to them. Your listening skills in respect to customers' feedback is a very good attribute that you have that can come into product management, or you can bring in as a transferable skill. You ensure that the customers' voices are well heard and are translated into the cross-functional teams you are working with, your business team and your technology team, and you ensure their needs are met. Empathy is what you bring to the table, which is one of the most important attributes of a product manager. You need to have empathy on your users so you are able to tailor the product to their basic needs. If you belong to any of these roles I've mentioned so far and you're aspiring to become a product manager, like I said earlier, you should give it a try. If you have learned something new from this video, ensure to like and share this video with someone who needs it. Lastly, you should subscribe and also turn your notification bell so you'll be the first person to receive notification each time we put up new videos. See you in the next video. Bye.